Hi y'all, it's Andrea. How y'all doing today? It's Tuesday, August 10th, and I wanted to do a what's in my bag because I switched into this one, but also I wanted to show I've been using this that I purchased as well, and it is working out great. It's very pretty, and I just popped in a pin right here. See it right there for writing into it. So put that over there. So anyway, I got a couple of new things in here that I wanted to show you, but here's the tag I got free with it. There's that one. Oh, sorry. I don't believe I have anything in this. I don't have anything in this pocket. So let's dig in here. Let's see. First thing, oh, I can't show you this, but this is my badge with my lanyard. And I got this new, it's a 6-key ring holder. And there's a new keychain on here. It's also a flashlight. And that closes like that. And then I got this is a mirror, nothing on it, just black. And if I could open it, it's slim, just a mirror. There's outside. And yep. So just double-sided mirror, one magnification. And then my friend gave me some coupons for Bath & Body Works. Oh, this is Arby's coupons. And here is my new XL skinny card case. And this thing holds a lot. I don't really want to show any of my stuff, so I have that empty, and there's those card case right over there, and there's a spot there, and I took out my change, and so here's the key holder. But yeah, I love this thing. Compact, skinny, got the shiny gold hardware with the C's. Yep, this is a good wallet right here. So I took out my change because I ended up purchasing the round coin purse from Coach because I wanted something to match this purse because I love the print. So it has the gold hardware, the multicolors all over. There's the zipper and just opens smoothly. And I've got my cash and coin inside. So that's my new purchase that I wanted to show you. I didn't unbox it, so yeah, it goes really nice. And then my catch-all is in my mini pochette, and my favorite one, which is the Vivian on the gondola with the trunks right here with the LVs. Here's the back of it with the blue, and then it has the blue inside. I just have some Advil. This is my favorite Blistex, Sugar Plum Dream. And this is some Daisy perfume. Got some Vicks nose spray. I wear contacts, so gotta have that for emergencies. Some ibuprofen. Some wipes. And my favorite Wet n Wild lipstick. It's in this pretty pinkish rose kind of color. And some more wipes for my glasses if I wear them. That's for cleaning the glasses. Some woman products. Some eye drops in case I gotta take my contacts out. Some burn cream. Some Chanel 5 sample. And this is Twilly by Hermes perfume sample. So that's what's in there. And of course I got a mask and another flashlight. There's that. And then I have this gel pen, gel roller in yellow. And a little hand sanitizer. And I think that is it. Yeah, that's just the info on the bag, which is Rainbow Signature Rowan Satchel. And it says the retail is $3.28, which I paid nowhere near that. So, yep. I love this little satchel. It's very comfortable to carry. I don't love the strap, so I end up taking it off and just using it as a top handle. So I do have the strap, of course, and it's rainbow, but I wish it was brown. So that is my Rainbow Rowan satchel, what's in my bag. So I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Night. Bye.